Hey YouTube, I got my workstation cleaned off here because I wanted to go over a product that I picked up. And these are a plug for the inside of the car because the factory ones, after 30 plus years, have probably rotted away. Now these are made by a company called omnifacturellc. They're on Facebook. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description and an email address in the description where you can pick these up. But these are plugs for the interior of the car, and over time they rust away. And I'll show you what I mean here. Here is the factory plug in the floor pan on the driver's side that was completely rusted away. Now this sits under the seat, so you might not even know it's rusted away unless you jack up your car and you slide underneath, or you get it up on a lift and you see that it's rusted away. But you can see mine under my driver's seat was completely gone. So that's why I ordered these. So these are a pretty cool product. They're cheap. They're like $30 to $40, and you get a whole set of them. It's enough to do the driver's side and the passenger side. And I mean, I don't know how many plugs are in the car from the factory, but the kit that you buy, it comes with 6 or 7 plugs, I believe, 6 or 7 of them. And what I did is I've already replaced one under the driver's seat. I can't show you. I probably should have made this video sooner, but what you can do is it's got these tabs and they're flexible, which is nice. So you can kind of slide them in. And what I did on mine is I put a bead of RTV around this outer ring here, and then I slid it into place, and these tabs hold it in place, and then that RTV will seal now underneath the car and keep moisture out from getting into the car. So of course these are different sizes, as the car has different size plugs. So these are made out of, these are like 3D printed out of a plastic. It's a pliable plastic. It's a little flexible. It's stiff, but it's flexible at the same time, which is nice. So once again, these were like 30 or 40 bucks. If yours are rusted away, like mine were, okay, so if yours were rusted away, go ahead and pick these up. Like I said, they're about 40 bucks, 30 bucks. Pretty cheap. And I'll put the link in the description down below. That was it, guys. Thank you, and have a great new year.